Hi, it's Angeline here. I am back with another crafty video with Unity stamp, and today I'm going to show you how to create this card using this cute Cuddlebug owl from Unity stamp. I've already stamped it on some watercolor cardstock, and I'm using the Altenew watercolors today and a water brush. So here I'd like to show you the difference with painting directly onto the watercolor cardstock and the difference with adding water first and then adding color. As you can see, the colors appear to be more fluid and it flows and blends easily. So it really depends on what kind of effect that you are trying to achieve. But if you're trying to create a more fluid look and you're not very good at blending, I would suggest to add water to your cardstock, and then as you can see, the colors will blend magically together without much effort. Next, I decided to add some gold to it, so I'm using the Can Oliver liquid metals in yellow gold, and then just adding water to blend it all together. Then using my heat tool to dry this layer up before I start coloring the cute little owl. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip technique, and thanks for watching. Bye!